Hey, learn things new every day. Didn't know what this was called, walked up on it, read it, looked at it, finally figured it out. It's actually called a Factory 5 Racing MK4. Yeah, Roadster. No other kind of name for it, just Factory 5 Racing. Don't know why they didn't name it something else. Ooh. Oh, look at all that. Engine, drive, all from different vehicles. I wonder what that means. I'm going to have to do some more exploration on what this all means. But until then, I'm just going to show you the beauty that is this machine. Got a little Cobra there. Interesting. Oh ho! Well, I expect that's one way to buckle up.
Yeah, I enjoy it.
It is definitely a machine to behold. Yeah, I'm definitely going to have to do some investigation. Because what in the world are those things for? Does anyone know? Put it in the comment section down below. Perhaps I can find the owner of this and ask them some pertinent questions in another video. Until next episode, this one is coming to a close.